Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and welcome to my channel. So, I have seen everybody do the basic what's in my bag video and I wanted to do something different. So, I am cleaning my bag and I said, why not just show you all what all kachra do I have in my bag. So, come let's clean my bag together. So, firstly, my bag is from Elle, which is a really pretty white and yellow bag. I really love my bag, but it has become dirty, white bag things, and I am a pretty dirty girl, a pretty messy girl. I don't know how to keep my things organized. Like I'm gonna clean my bag today. Tomorrow my school begins, and tomorrow itself my bag is going to be back to square one. But still, let's do it. So the first thing that I have in my bag is my wallet, which I don't need to clean. I got this around 2 years back, and this is still as good as new. The hardware is all right, everything is all right. Again, my wallet is also from Elle. Then I have a full size body sunscreen because my school leaves in afternoon and I need it. Afternoon 1 o'clock my school leaves. मेरे को घर आते आते 2 बज जाते हैं. So that is the peak hour of the sun. So yeah, a must have. Then is my body mist, which is from Victoria's Secret. I know I should not be carrying full size things in my bag, but can't help it. Then a perfume, a Chotu perfume, which was a gift. So yeah. I told you, I'm a pretty messy girl. See the way I have kept my passbook. Like, I need to get a new one actually because ये बारिश में भीग गया था मेरी पिछली बैग में. But still. Meds. So, one thing about my bag is people, as soon as they walk past my bag also in the staff room or anywhere else, they're like, medicine ka smell. And I'm like, how? I have so many perfumes in my bag. Still everybody smells the medicine. I have a mini Bible. Pen. I'm a teacher. And more pen. A red pen is a must. Cannot go without a red pen. Your phone. There are random stuffs, okay? Nothing is organized. So you're going to see all random here and there stuffs. A compact. Now, let me tell you, I do have a makeup pouch which is always open, not even closed. But my compact is outside my makeup pouch, and now you will see a lot of makeup that will come out, which is never in this pouch. Face sunscreen. Favorite. Meds. I did have a pouch separately for meds, but it was full of meds, and I thought that I don't need so many medicines on a daily basis. So yeah, like when I need this, I put it in my bag. When I don't need it, it is outside my bag. So then I have this CeraVe moisturizing cream. This is for face actually, for very dry skin. But winters are going on and I have dry Sahara Desert dry flaky hands. So yeah, hand cream basically. Passport. कोम्ब जो इतनी पतली है कि हमेशा नीचे जाके फंस जाती है और मिलती नहीं है. Red pen. टिश्यू पेपर्स. नाउ आई वाज थिंकिंग ऐसे ही टिश्यू पेपर्स कौन रखता है. सो ये ना मैकडोनल्ड्स में जो बच जाते हैं ना, वाई टू थ्रो इट, वाई टू लेट इट गो वेस्ट. इट विल कम इन हैंडी. सो स्टफ इट इन द बैग. Card. More tissue paper. A free lotion that I got from Plum Body Loving. Again, I'm going to be using it as hand cream. Some random bills. Kachra. I told you this is kachra peti, not a bag. This is a kachra peti. कचरा अलग रखेंगे. Hair tie. Kachra. Kachra. Bobby pin. What is it doing in my bag? A time zone extra card. I have one on my wallet already. ये मैं एक बार घर पे भूल गई थी, मेरा वाला कार्ड तो देना पड़ा था. I told you my makeup is everywhere other than my makeup pouch. Lip oil, not 1, not 2, but 3 lip oils. So all are from the same brand, Lamel. You can see already. I've got this like last month and all are almost empty. I need to organize my stuff. Another hair tie. Vaseline. I do not use Vaseline on my lips, but I do use it on my hands. A rosary. This is properly kept. I think one thing that is always properly kept in my bag is my rosary in a side compartment. Oh wow. Finding money while cleaning your bag is happiness. ज़्यादा नहीं मिला है, कुछ चिल्लर ही है. But yeah, it is what it is. 31 rupees. Oh, I found more. 1 rupee. So my bag has these lot chotu compartments. So this is a bracelet that my child, a student of mine had made. So I have it in my bag. I don't wear bracelet, otherwise I would have worn it. But yeah, I keep it in my bag. Kachra. I told you, see, I have proper tissue paper, the pocket tissue, but still, मैं किधर का भी टिश्यू पेपर छोड़ूंगी नहीं. जो भी टिश्यू पेपर मिलता है उसको सिर्फ बैग में स्टफ कर दूंगी. Out of paper, kachra, bills, one more hair tie. Why I have so many hair ties? See, people say that my bag smells like medicines. They are not lying. See, random medicine पड़ी हुई है अंदर. Don't even know कौन सी medicine है, क्या है. Must be these vitamins का एक खुल गया and वो गिर गया. Bobby pin. I don't use bobby pins. I don't know what are they doing in my bag. A safety pin. Kachra. A clutch which is broken. I do not use it, but still it is there. See, kachra. I don't know how many times I have said kachra in this video and how much more am I going to say it. I found more money. Chiller. Wow, amazing. A D10. I don't know क्यों है ये मेरे हैंड बैग में. रास्ते में मैं D10 लगा के क्या करने वाली हूँ इस D10 का. Why it is in my bag, I have no clue. Meds. Ouch. Now, time zone. I told you I have my time zone card. Clearly, I'm a kid. Okay. See, I told you, right? Makeup हर जगह है. Makeup pouch को छोड़ के. Pen भी है. Red pen. Lipsticks. I have more. Do I need so many lipsticks on a daily basis? No. Do I have more lipsticks in my makeup pouch? Yes. I'm just a girl, a stupid one. I'm gonna put this away and just carry at least maybe 4. 4 is a considerable number. उतने ही लिपस्टिक रखूँगी, बाकी सब अभी मेन मेकअप पाउच में जो घर पे रहती है उसमें जाएंगे. My school locker key. By that my bag is empty, thank God. And you all will not believe it, जो पसारा मैंने अभी इधर कर दिया है. I am going to put all this away. But before that, I need to, clean my bag from inside and outside. Front इतना कुछ गंदा लग नहीं रहा है, but see the back. Like, what is this? ये इतना गंदा होता नहीं था. Actually, it is my mistake. What I did was I wiped my bag with a what we call a wet wipe, because of which the exterior got spoiled. If you see, this is not ganda, but this white some layer of the leather, the fox leather, is come out. So can't really help this, but I'll clean the rest of my bag. And here I have seen some DIYs wherein people literally use vinegar and baking soda and everything. अभी पीछे मैंने ऑलरेडी एक्सपेरिमेंट कर ही लिया है, तो और थोड़ा सा कर लेती हूँ. अगर पीछे अच्छे से क्लीन हो गया तो फिर आगे भी उसी से क्लीन कर दूँगी. सो या आई मेक द विनेगर बेकिंग सोडा. आई डोंट थिंक सो आई हैव बेकिंग सोडा. विनेगर और डिश सोप का सॉल्यूशन बना के आई विल बी बैक. I was sitting here because of the sunlight that I was getting. अभी सनलाइट चली गई है. होपफुली डार्क होने के पहले मैं ये सब पसारा साइड में कर दूँ. सो विनेगर भी नहीं मिला. मैंने लूक वार्म वाटर लिया एंड डिश सोप लिया. यूट्यूब हैज शोन दिस ऑल्सो. कैन यूज लूक वार्म वाटर ऑल्सो. So if anything goes wrong, YouTube video that I have watched is responsible. So yeah, see, spare tissues do come in handy. Now I'm going to use these tissues to clean my bag. First I'll try cleaning with the dish soap solution. Start from the back. खराब हुआ तो एटलीस्ट आगे का अच्छा रहेगा. Because I've promised myself that I will not get a bag. अगस्त में प्रॉमिस किया था, अभी ले सकती हूँ, बट फिर भी I am not going to buy a bag until and unless it's really needed. See how dirty my bag is. And I think this is working. It is not spoiling my bag or anything. It's cleaning. I mean, not bad. It's sharp, but not that great. Okay, so now I'll scrub, and then come back. I have thoroughly cleaned my bag. Basically, हर कोना जो क्लीन हो सकता था उसको मैंने क्लीन किया. Right from this crevice also that gets really dirty. So I took a scissor, folded it with tissue paper, and just bent in all the corners. The only thing that I regret that I was not able to clean is this cloth जिससे ये chain attached है. I wish I could remove it and just put it for washing, because that has also become really dirty. But yeah, I think मेरा बैग एक और साल अच्छी खासी रहेगी. So let's pack it. Lot of fasara wire, lot, unimaginable. But for my makeup pouch, I just removed all the lipsticks out that were there in this also. So but जो बच गया है वो basic मेरा face का है जो बहुत necessary है. I cannot go without these things on a daily basis. So I'm just going to put in my compact also in that. You must be thinking, why do I keep it in the box? I should just be keeping the compact. But my compact, whenever I remove it out of the box, it falls and it breaks. So only and only when I'm going to use it, then it will come out of the box. Otherwise, it is always going to be in the box. Now lipsticks का क्या करूँ ये मैं बाद में decide करूँगी. अभी के लिए इसमें और कुछ जाना चाहिए. येस, द हैंड क्रीम विल नॉट बी लाइंग आउटसाइड एनीवेयर बट इट विल गो इनसाइड दिस पाउच. डालूँ क्या मेकअप पाउच में हैंड क्रीम? नहीं, लेट इट बी आउटसाइड ओनली. फेस sunscreen, let it go since it is of the face. Okay, this one nude lipstick, that is a safety lipstick, I think so. Safety lipstick which means कि मेरे को कुछ और समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, पिंक अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, रेड अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, तो ये तो इसको इसके अंदर ही रहने देती हूँ. इसके अंदर से ही बाहर आई थी. ओके, या एंड आई एम क्लोजिंग. इफ आई गो ऑन स्टफिंग नो देन it will be a lot, so I just close my makeup pouch. That's it. So I think this is the biggest thing in my bag. No, this is not the biggest thing actually. I have my iPad that I have to put, so that is the first thing that I'll put. So my iPad goes into this center wala compartment. It is always in this only, and uske andar मैं और कुछ नहीं डालती हूँ other than my iPad. So yeah, this is my iPad. I have put these cute stickers onto it. My pink iPad. Let it go inside. देन एज आई टोल्ड यू, सबसे बड़ी चीज़ जो है वो है मेरा मेकअप पाउच. तो ये मैं हमेशा जो फ्रंट साइड वाला पॉकेट है उसके एक कॉर्नर में डाल देती हूँ, एंड फिर उसके ही दूसरे कॉर्नर में आई पुट माई बॉडी मिस्ट. आई नो आई शुड नॉट बी कैरिंग अ फुल साइज. मे बी आई कंसिडर कीपिंग इट एट होम, बट फॉर नाउ आई हैव टू. और शाल आई नॉट? रहने देती हूँ बाहर ही. आई जस्ट कैरी माई परफ्यूम. सो कॉर्नर में कुछ तो ऐसा सपोर्ट टाइप चाहिए मुझे. सो माई सनस्क्रीन, इसको मैं ऐसे कॉर्नर में डाल देती हूँ. सो माई कॉर्नर्स आर फुल, लाइक फ्रंट साइड बोथ द कॉर्नर्स आर डन. परफ्यूम भी कॉर्नर में ही रख देती हूँ. वॉलेट पीछे की तरफ डालूँ कि आगे की तरफ? टू मच. ओके, लिप ऑयल्स. आई कैन नॉट लाइक स्किप वन. आई नीड ऑल थ्री इन माई बैग. सो जो छोटा सा फ़ोन कंपार्टमेंट होता है ना, उस पर मैं इसको डाल रही हूँ. देयर इज़ वन मोर लाइक दैट phone compartment kinda, wherein I always have the rosary. I'm going to put Chotu Bible also in there. Pens, I think I'm going to skip pens for now. I need to think whether I should really be carrying pens in my bag or no, because I have a pen pouch in the school. टिश्यू पेपर फ्रंट में ही रहने चाहिए, बहुत काम के हैं. Anything else? Yes, now I think I'll skip to the back pocket. Back pocket, my earphone. See, I'm again dumping things. Whereas I should be keeping them carefully, nicely folded. I don't know what is going to happen of me. Nobody knows. I think only God knows what will happen of me. ईयरफोन्स को भी ऐसे एक छोटू कंपार्टमेंट है उसमें डाल देती हूँ, क्योंकि वो ऐसे ही पड़ा पड़ा वो खुल जाती है वायर. सो या दिस स्मॉल कंपार्टमेंट इज़ ऑलवेज एम्प्टी. वेरी छोटू इट इज़. आई डोंट नो फॉर व्हाट दे हैव गिवन दिस कंपार्टमेंट. नाउ इट इज़ कमिंग हैंडी फॉर माई ईयरफोन. सो दिस बैग आई हैड बॉट बिकॉज आई लाइक इट इट्स एक्सटीरियर, बट सिंस वाइट है तो आई वॉज लाइक कंटेम्पलेटिंग ऑन बाइंग दिस और अ ब्राउन बैग. बट this had a lot of chotu compartments. So what I thought, since I'm such a messy girl, rather than keeping 100 pouches, I'll just store things properly in those compartments and I'll be good to go. But see, I'm not making use of those compartments. What else? So this comb, I'm going to put in one of the side compartments and keep it fixed over there, so that whenever I need it, I know it is there. My hand cream, जो लिप ऑयल्स डाले थे ना उधर पे जगह है तो उस उधर ही डाल देती हूँ, बिकॉज आफ्टर विंटर्स लिप ऑयल्स भी इतने नहीं रहने वाले हैं एंड हैंड क्रीम का भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ने वाला है. सो या सेम विद द वैसलीन ऑल्सो, जस्ट गोइंग देयर बट डज नॉट हैव प्लेस देयर. गॉट फिट हो गया. Time zone cards I'm going to put in my wallet. As far as my meds are concerned, I did not even realize when I was removing things out. एक ऑलरेडी एक्सपायर हो गया है एंड कचरा एम्प्टी है, सिर्फ एक है शायद उसमें, जो मुझे फेंकना चाहिए. Why I've kept this so old thing in my bag, I don't know. And I do keep cleaning my bag. It's not like I don't clean only. But फिर भी ये हमेशा जाता है अंदर, thinking that नहीं ये तो necessity है, without this I cannot live. इसका है already new वाला. So this is garbage. Vitamins, painkillers. किधर डालूँ? Side compartment basically. Okay, so since I don't need this a lot, I have a side compartment which is like a zipped one, जो zip में ज़्यादा खोलती नहीं हूँ. So I'll put it there. Basically, I have my girl necessity things over there. So I'll keep the medis also over there only, so that लोगों को ज़्यादा smell ना आए मेरे bag से medicines का. Too much. Okay, what else? Tomorrow is school, cannot go without my locker key. Locker key is always in one of the side compartments only. What else? I think yeah, I'm done. But still my bag is very heavy. साफ करके भी इतना वजन. अभी तक wallet भी नहीं गया अंदर. Wallet in the behind section. See, I already have put one hand cream, but what to do? Put one more. I think I'll skip ये जो मैं after winters के लिए ये वाली रखती हूँ. Hair ties are necessary. I know 3 are not necessary, but just in case. Yes, rest all was kachra. So yeah, here I have cleaned my bag. My bag is all clean. Do you want to see it from inside? See, it looks clean, right? Empty नहीं है. लग रहा था empty, but empty नहीं है. इधर है सामान. You can see now. So yeah, I don't know how entertaining was this. This is a pretty time pass. So if y'all want to see more videos of me doing such random things, then do subscribe to my channel, like this video. If y'all have any suggestions about what I should be doing next, then y'all can drop those ideas down in the comments. Share my video. Yeah, that's it. Until next time, bye.